What's up, guys? We're back. Next day, let's finish taking apart this front end. Not much left, so it's only take a couple hours, hopefully, and then we'll be done parting this damn thing out. Then I can concentrate on selling everything. All right, let's do it. Well, that sucks. That bowl got rounded all to crap. So that's the only thing holding this up from dropping this whole K member. I mean, obviously I can undo the shock at the bottom and it'll fall. But no, actually the A-arms go through the bolt holes of the shock, so yeah, we need to get that one too. I'll deal with that later. Some other day. Some other day. Let's get this LCA out. The last two things in the rear is a lower control arm. Alright, that's it. We did it. Got everything done I wanted to get done except the K-member. Got to figure out that rounded out bolt because that sucker's on there tight. But I'll do that. I got to do other things, so we're going to wrap it up for the day. Yeah. Look at the new makeshift table. It's mega full now. So she's 99% there, guys. 99%. That's pretty much everything. I mean, I'll take the doors and T-tops and trunk off when they sell, but till then, that's it. Alright, I'm gonna get all this stuff sold. And then I'll see you guys back here when we get the maroon car pulled up. Boom, that guy. Start doing the same thing to that till it's down to nothing but its frame. Alright, peace. Have a good weekend.